This NMTB tool holder is the type of tool holder that was used in manual milling machines from 1927 until today. The wear pattern shown was typical on 724 taper tool holders. This is the desired wear pattern that CNC V-flange tool holders should still have today. The only difference between the V-flange holders of today and the NMTB tool holders is that the straight diameter of the small end of the NMTB holder was removed, and a retention knob replaced the drawbar. Note that with the NMTB holder, the drawbar threads ended in the straight diameter and never entered the taper area of the tool holder. Does a close inspection of the tapered area of your CNC V-flange tool holder shank show wear marks at the threaded area and also at the gauge line? Chances are the answer is yes, because those marks are symptoms of a universal problem in the industry. J&M Machine conducted tests using the leading brands of retention knobs in the leading brands of V-flange tool holders. These tests have proven that the wear marks are a result of the expansion of the tool holder shank due to the installation of the standard retention knob. The pressure exerted by the 60-degree angle of the threads of the standard retention knob results in growth in diameter of the small end of the tool holder shank. Testing performed by J&M Machine has proven that tool holders should be checked for expansion prior to their installation into the machines. But how do you easily, reliably, and affordably measure diameter change? J&M Machine has designed the patent-pending taper shank test fixture to easily and reliably measure expansion. This test fixture incorporates 3 highest quality indicators. Each line of the face of the gauge represents 0.000028 or 28 millionths of an inch of growth in the diameter of the tool holder shank. The test fixture, because of its design aspects, coupled with the accuracy of the gauges, can detect as little as 0.000007 or 7 millionths of an inch of growth in the diameter of the tool holder shank. Why make the investment in the taper shank test fixture? It's simple. Use of the test fixture guarantees that holders seat properly in the spindle when tool holders are changed. Proper seating eliminates the fretting of a second angle at the gauge line of the tool holder by eliminating movement caused by cutting force pressure. This increases tool life by reducing tool runout and uneven chip load, resulting in better finishes, increased feed rates, and closer tolerances. Runout and vibration that can break the fine razor edge on carbide tools prematurely is virtually eliminated. Balance of high-speed tools after installation of the retention knob is maintained, which in turn reduces tool life variance from one tool to another in the same cutting operation. The net out? Longer tool life, less breakage, improved feed rates, and reduced downtime for machine and spindle maintenance, which all add up to more money to the bottom line. How do you make sure your retention knobs aren't causing you problems and costing you money? Manufacturers know that there are 2 ways retention knobs are a detriment. First, they are not balanced. And second, they cause the tool holder to expand. Armed with the test results and using the taper shank test fixture, J&M Machine identified the need for a better retention knob that could hold up to higher torque pressures without causing excessive tool holder expansion. J&M Machine responded by developing a new, patent-pending, high-torque retention knob design that produces the only balanced retention knob available on the market. Where other retention knobs start to expand the shanks of tool holders at torque rates as low as 5 to 15 foot-pounds, these high-torque retention knobs can be tightened to the same torque levels as standard retention knobs, but with 2 to 10 times less tool holder distortion. ANSI retention knob designs include a pilot, which greatly reduces the chance of breakage. J&M manufactures all their retention knobs to the highest standards. Made in the USA of hot-rolled 8620 steel and black oxided to guard against rust, these retention knobs provide improved durability, extended life, and reduced cracking potential. J&M retention knobs are lasered with easy-to-read markings, so choosing the wrong knob isn't an issue. Installation of these high-torque retention knobs using J&M manufactured sockets and suggested torque wrench J.H. Williams, model number 1503 MFR-PS, will yield longer tool life, less breakage, consistent feed rates, and reduced downtime for machine and spindle maintenance, which all add up to more money for the bottom line. Be sure that when you sell a superior machine, your customer is using superior tools. Include a starter kit with each machine that would contain enough high-torque retention knobs to complete at least half the tool positions, plus the appropriate J&M socket and a torque wrench. By specifying in the operator's manual, machine warranty, information plates attached to the machine in the tool holder loading area, and in your operator training classes that your customers use the J&M high-torque retention knob solution, you can be assured that your machine will hold the tight tolerances for which it is designed. Start your customers out on the right foot by providing them with the right tools. You'll save on service calls that result from poor quality tools used in high quality machines. This winning combination will reduce your customers' milling costs by easily 10 to 30%. The taper shank test fixture will prove to the machinist working on the floor that it's not necessary to torque the retention knob beyond J&M Machine's specifications. Maintaining a taper shank test fixture at each distribution location will provide the tools you need to resolve chatter and vibration issues and out-of-tolerance situations, as well as to identify tool holder expansion problems. Maintaining the torque specification is not only preferred, but it is the key to safe operation. Reduce buyer's remorse by making the post-installation machining experience as positive as possible. Starting off with the right tools will guarantee that the customer's results will meet his expectations from day one of implementation. Customer satisfaction translates to more sales in the future. Your key to success is customer satisfaction. Give your customer the right machine solution with the right tool solution and the knowledge they need to keep the results in line with their expectations. A satisfied customer is a loyal customer. To place an order, contact J&M Machine.